credential card, sir? Yeah, just keep up test levels as you go on in. Close up test level there.
Down this way over here.
Seeing directly behind me.
Huh?
It's seen behind me.
Wow.
Well then, welcome to our workshop. Please, have a look around. I know to some of you this might seem like a lot of old junk. Let me assure you, some of it's new junk. But to all of us here, this is everything. Everyone's met my friends around the room already, yes? I've got some in the corners here, and of course some right here. Very good. You may call me Kembe. We humbly call ourselves here the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We search the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we do find when we're out there, well, we bring it all here. So with someone like, I don't know, let's say maybe one of those stormtroopers, right? Wanders in, looks around, and sees useless clutter. Well, those of us that know will look around and see priceless history. And of course, preserving our past here may very well be the key to ensuring our future. Now, I take it everyone here has heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, but we hear there's a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Rey. Yes, it's Rey. What she is leading is the spark of hope that all of us here have been waiting for. Which is exactly why all of you are with us here today. To look ahead, to help us forge a new future. Oh, and of course, to build this. A lightsaber. Wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber, they say, is an art. Now, the lightsaber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, each and every one of you will get to experience that very same connection. But enough of all this. Let's begin, shall we? We will start with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber. The kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say that the kyber crystal is the very heart of the lightsaber itself. The color of your crystal will, of course, determine the color of your blade. And you may know some of these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. And blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi. His apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. And now, so we hear, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the lightsaber wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power. It is the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and Kylo Ren. But these are all stories from the past, of course, and we're here for all of you, our future. So builders, would you please indulge me then? Close your eyes. Picture your crystal in your mind. Which of these colors calls to you? Which of these colors is yours? Mentally choose your kyber crystal. But remember, however, that it is equally likely it's already chosen you. Builders, open your eyes. Choose your crystal.
What color? Give me green.
Excellent. We've all chosen our crystals. If you haven't done so already, please take your kyber crystal. Place them on that small square green crystal holder in front of you for me, would you? They haven't quite been stabilized for activation just yet, but I promise we're going to talk about that a little bit later. Now then, this brings us to our build. We are going to begin by building our hilt, foundation, our center of control. Hard to keep your fingers so you can disintegrate. Inside the ink box are all the parts and pieces that you expected to help you build your new.
Is that exciting?
But before we begin, let's have a closer look first. When you start, you're going to start all the way on your left where you select that chassis. You'll jump all the way over to row 5 where you have 2 matching sets of activation plates. Rows 1 and 2 have 4 grips. Row 3, 2 emitters. Row 4, 2 power caps. Now, building a lightsaber is of course a very personal trip. However, should you require any assistance at all, the gatherers and I are here to help. Well then, let's build!
Alright, so guys, how we doing? So we're starting with our chassis. We're going to grab a crystal. We're going to get our crystal directly in the center of the chassis. My recommendation for this, we have a blue square, we have a red square. We want the blue facing away from us, the red facing in towards us. We're going to tilt the blue side down slightly rotate it so you can see the small diamonds there. We're going to aim the narrow part of our crystal towards that dent, pushing in with our thumb, backing it up with our pointer and middle finger to make sure it doesn't fall out. This is the most challenging step, so if you guys would like some assistance, please let me know. If I may, make sure we do some of this close. So back to the blue square and the red square. We're choosing one of the 2 sets of activation plates. Inside you're going to find the blue square and the red square. Blue, blue, and blue. The red's going to go to red.
Okay.
If I may, make sure we're nice in the center. Back to the blue square and the red square. Choose one of the 2 sets of activation plates. You're going to find a blue square inside and a red square inside. Blue will go to blue, red's going to go to red. Hold on 1 second. So, we have the blue right there, blue right there. Do me a favor, slide up on your activation switch. Go ahead and slide back down. Give it 1 moment. We're good there. So we have top, we have bottom, choose any 2 of the 4 grips you want to choose from. They can go on either side, completely up to you. Any 2 that you want to do, can do, it doesn't really matter. All we need is a thick bronze rim in towards the switch, push in towards that switch, twist it at the same time. And it's nice and tight for us.
Wait, can you repeat that?
You just want to slide it down, push it in, twist it. What I have you do is, that's our activation switch right there. Go ahead and set that up for me.
Now what do I do?
Wait, I'll tell you. Cool, huh?
I'm very happy.
Huh?
I sound very happy.
Very happy.
This is so heavy.
Tell Bella she can suck it. Huh?
So the top and the bottom, choose any 2 of the 4 grips that you'd like to choose from. Then you go on either side, it's completely up to you. We just need to think over in towards the switch, push it in towards the switch and twist it at the same time, and it'll be nice and tight. Yep, go ahead, choose another one.
Okay, so do I just do it on this side or this side?
That's right.
Then
Did it lock on there?
That's locked.
Nice and tight there, go ahead and place the emitter right at the top. Nice and tight there, you can place the emitter right at the top. As a reminder, if you're looking for that select the emitter, once you're done with the build, then I go to the front. Okay, just go ahead and set it down. Sorry about that. No worries.
You think that looks good?
That looks awesome.
Or this?
I think that one.
This feel pretty sturdy. So same thing, blue and red.
You? You like that one better?
Yeah, I like this. Alright, got it. Oh, this is so cool.
Alright, perfect. How do we feel about it? Do we like the pieces we chosen? Like, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick safety check on it. Make sure everything is looking okay. Perfect. Alright, so one more final thing. Savi is gonna let us know when to activate. So you're gonna take that switch slide up from right activate down. It's gonna be deactivate, alright? I'll get that back here to you. Congratulations. And get this out of the way. Whenever you're ready to, you can set it right on top here.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, I
Yeah.
love that so much.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm very happy. You don't need to get that close to my face.
Smile.
This is so cool.
Smile.
Much better.
Yeah.
So we're going to activate, sign up on the activation switch, which just says deactivate, slide down. And when it tells you to raise, go ahead and lift it right out. I'm moving the tray out of the way. If you want to, absolutely go ahead and rest it right back here.
Those are my. Yeah. I'm so happy.
We just ignore that. Hey, your kids are going well. Do you read Arabic at all?
Say again?
Do you read Arabic at all?
No.
Most people can just read basic, but not Arabic.
Yeah, no, I don't. I know a little binary, but not.
Little binary, same. A little bit of binary, a couple languages to help program droids, but that's about it.
Right.
Hey, we work with what we got, so we don't have a whole lot. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah, we get that a lot. When the grips go on, people say that it's heavy. Did anybody else think it was kind of a heavy saber, or heavier than they thought? Yeah. How about you? Do you think it's heavy? That's all right. You grow into it. Trust me, you're growing into it real quick. It's not so bad. Do we have any red crystals? Just for my curiosity. You got one right here? Oh, it's always the kids. It's always the kids that choose reds. No, this is fine. Two reds in the room is fine. 3 is good too. 4 is all right. 5, and one of you has to leave. I'm not dealing with that. But this honestly is a well-behaved group. I looked around the room. Nobody was instantly doing this with their eyeballs. I don't know why people do that. Why do people stick their eye in the emitter? Do you know?
Curiosity.
But you just built it, so you already know what's inside. So why would you look? I can do that because this one has a plug. But if you're going to look, do it now before we stabilize the crystals and you use an eye. Just get it out of your system. It's not good saber safety, but I know some of you are itching to do it, so go ahead and look. Nothing, exactly. There's nothing in there. But people have to look, so I let them. I definitely let them. At this rate, it should probably be Sabak cards. Does anyone play Sabak? It hasn't made it to your planning yet. All right. That's all right. It's fine. You just lose a lot of credits. It's fine. That's not so bad.
That's pretty beautiful.
Yeah, exactly. You know, there's some people that'll play out here, but definitely not for credits. You know, Oga's a little weird about that.
Hush falls into the cracks.
Did anyone get elements? You got elements. It's always like 1 or 2 people here. Great. How was that, everyone? Good, fantastic, awesome, amazing. What is it? Super wizard, the kids say, right? Whatever that means. We've done it. We have all completed our hilts, and nothing unexpected or chaotic has taken place yet. Because why would it, right? That wasn't the dangerous part. This, as you guessed it, is the dangerous part. So let's all move away from our stations, please, for just a moment. No worries. I promise your sabers are just fine. Remember I mentioned earlier when we selected our crystals how they had not been stabilized for activation, right? So this right here is considered the final step in our stabilization process. And of course, while they're at it, we're going to take just a moment to triple check those inverted mirror matrices. Because we really can't afford another hole in the ceiling. Yeah, we've had a hard time explaining some of it to Savi. Excellent. Now, before we move on, I do have one very important thing that
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Would you look at that? It's Master Yoda! He's right. It is indeed time. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be formed. In just a moment, Builders, I will have everyone come forward. We'll all place our hands on our hilts, and together on my signal, we will activate. Builders, is everyone ready?
Yes.
Come on forward. And yes, go ahead. Place your hand on your hilt. I'll make sure I've got everyone. Okay, ready. Activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers.
Oh, I
You
love
have
that.
built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith before you. And like them too, you all have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, Builders, it only takes a spark. Builders, please, deactivate the lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you. Thank you, Master Yoda. Well, Builders, you all hold in your hands remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Oh, it happens. In just a moment, I will dismiss you all to receive your very own saber sheath to celebrate your accomplishment. This does mean, however, that your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are all as extraordinary as the lightsabers you built here today. And who knows? Maybe next time we'll all be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers and activate. Silver Spire. Silver Spire! All right, my first groups of travelers. Are we all set together, my friends? Destiny hopes. Be safe out there, Builders.
Oh my god, this is. I love this.
Wait a minute.
So much.
Wait.
Wait till
Stay away
what?
from hold on, hold on, whatever you can help, all right? Just check the credits.
Thank you so much.
Ready.
Of course.
Is that cool or what?
Yeah, that's so cool.
Don't drop it. Huh?
It's gonna be as careful as possible.
You like that? Is the strap loose enough?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm happy. Oh wait, you need
And now for something else. Excellent.
love that. Alright, I'm gonna call Bella.
So let's go over here.